Sometimes I fall on my face, but I know how to get back up again. And sometimes I don't know what to say. Sometimes I don't know what to say.
These are trials and tribulations. My mind overloaded by these things. I have no patience. I've been patiently waiting for Satan. The exit stage left. A deep breath. I ain't got none of those things left. I've been searching on the inside, cause the pain that I endure makes the songs cry. And the tears come from my calm eyes. Life's a bitch and I'm looking for a strong line to make you understand why I'm here and where I draw the line. They say the sun gon' come out in due time, but these dark skies got me headed to the dark side. In a dark place, fighting for my sanity. This can't be life, God. I'm working with the things that you handed me. I lost my family and a lot of my friends. Got a couple real ones that'll support me to the end. Even though I know what it's like to lose, it still hurts me when I do. And although I am a man, I feel the hurt and the pain too. It's up to me to get back up when I fall in these damn moods. And I feel I never win, cause every day I'm gon' lose. I gotta keep fighting in pursuit, keep fighting in pursuit.
Sometimes I fall on my face, but I know how to get back up again. And sometimes I don't know what to say. Sometimes I don't know what to say or do in life. Yeah, I gotta make these choices right. I feel so defeated right now, but I live to fight. I live to fight.
So this right here, finished product. Just a little quick breakfast I wanted to share with you guys. Quick and easy. Ain't nothing too much. New video coming soon. But until then, just enjoy this breakfast I made this morning with me. And I will see you guys soon. Cool Zone out.
Resistance, I came up every year. They not prepared for the things that I speak, and sometimes it's too complex. I have to change the speech. Dumb it down, simplify it on the beat. Nah, that's not me. Nah, that's not me. I'm way too bright for you boys to stop me, and I'm way too nice with the voice to watch these niggas.